Hello everyone. If you're getting this error 0xC004F211 on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows reported that the hardware of your device has changed the error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here troubleshoot activation, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click on to troubleshoot activation, and then you're going to click on to I changed hardware on this device recently right after troubleshooting is completed. And then you'll be faced with a window that will ask you to log in, and you'll log your account in. And once you're done with logging in, then it will ask you to select the computer that you're using right now. So you're going to select your computer, tick the checkbox that says this is the device I'm using right now, and click on activate on here. And once you click on activate, Windows should activate your account with your device. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Windows activation issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.